What if I told you your body has a chemical factory working 24/7?
The human liver acts like a giant chemical factory.
A factory? Does it have machines inside?
No, but it performs over 500 vital functions every day.
Wait, 500 jobs? That is completely unbelievable.
First, it filters all the blood in the human body. It removes harmful toxins and keeps the body safe.
Does it also help digest the heavy food we eat?
Yes, it produces a special greenish-yellow fluid called bile.
And what exactly does this bile fluid do?
It breaks down complex fats like powerful dish soap.
But wait, the biggest mystery of the human body is coming next. I heard it also stores energy for later use.
Exactly. It stores extra sugar to give us instant energy.
So it truly is the ultimate survival machine. Now, it is time for our mystery quiz question. Which human organ is the only one that can regrow?
If you know the right answer, comment below right now. If you don't know, subscribe and hit the bell icon. We will give you the answer very soon. Bye-bye, friends. Stay safe.